Let's go fishing.
Yeah.
Go get the fishies. Yeah, I think it's magnet.
No, you have to get it with the magnet.
Where's the fishes at? There's no fish today. It's too cold. Winter season.
Come on, let's catch it.
Nikki, she got one.
Got a fish.
The boy took it away. How rude. Oh shit. Oh, so little. But look at their feet. Aki bono. Oh yeah. Oh, she going off the other. You wanna ride the bike? You're too little. Yo, go brush the teeth. Go brush the teeth, Ari.
Você foi essa pedra, Chico. Okay. Look.
Oh yeah, that's good for her driving now.
Thank you, come again. Here, the money over here. Here, $20. It's on, boy. Hello, where are you? Where are you going? Are you playing or no? Are you really gonna get a chair? Oh my god. The winner, loser.
Come here.
You like play checkers next. I'm about to beat Chazzy first. Go. I'm ready. Win already.
Oh my god.
Look at you. I beat him already. We're having more fun than the kids. Getting all salty because no matter what he does over there, I'm gonna get a king me. So he knows no matter what, I'm gonna get it. I'm the winner. Liki's a loser again. Loser. Do a show.
Okay, we're gonna sit down and watch.
I want to watch something.
You ready?
Oh, what's happening? What kind of play is this? Rip off. I want a refund. Boo! Oh, look this one over here. Got some lighting happening. Junk display.
Spin around. Erica, spin around.
Oh, I'm showing back in. I think she got stage fright. Is that how it's got? To slide down the pole. Junk. Rubbish.
Hey, you wanna go?
I got it all over Licky earlier. Getting their bodies sanitized. Hand sanitizer. Body sanitizer. Aloha. Let me lock the door. So we are currently in Kaneohe. Licky, so a couple months ago, I didn't even talk about this, but I'll update it. I'll make an update sooner or later, I don't know. A couple months ago, like last year, Licky caught in Ulua with his friend. Daniel, and then they got it. I don't know the exact word terminology, whatever, but it's like, you know how you like you print it on like the paper, like you put like the ink and you put it on the paper. Anyways, they did that, and it's been ready for, I'd say, like a month now. But since Leaky's so busy with like work and stuff, he hasn't had time to pick it up. So we're picking it up right now. So him and Daniel each got their own, so he's paying for it and picking it up right now. Does that make any sense? But yeah, so today we went to the Discovery Center with Leaky's parents and his youngest brother, excuse me, and then after that we went to eat at Highway Inn, and then yeah, so now we're here. And then after this we need to, I don't even know what we're gonna do after this. I don't know if Leaky wants to rest, because we need to go to Sam and Daniel's house, because I'm gonna help her with like her baby shower invitations, and then Leaky and Daniel are supposed to be making us dinner. So yeah, I don't know what time that's gonna be, but that's what we're doing now. And the girls are sleeping. I really wanted to go out so I could see the print before, like, I guess he rolls it up, wraps it up or whatever, but the girls are sleeping. Oh, they're right there. Oh, I can't see it. It's on a hard board. Oh, I see it. I thought it was gonna be like wrapped up. Turn around, I want to see. Do you like it? To the other side. See, one's Leaky's, one's Daniel. So you like them? Oh, it's nice. I didn't expect it to be like that.
Same exact rule, but I color.
I'm the definition. Got your legs behind your head. Favorite position. We don't
No feelings involved, she might fall in love. Oh, that's what you're doing to me.
Maybe this is a more appropriate song.
Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Yeah, stop watching my neck, it's chopping. Make big deposits, my gloss is chopping. You like my hair? They say which one, I say now I want all of them. Happiness is the same price as red bottoms. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
Don't delete it now. So I had the girls in the whole video. You didn't know?
Got my receipts, looking like phone numbers. If it ain't my club, like my ass, yeah. Go from the south to
They didn't know he was recording.
never mind, gotta do something, but never nobody removes.
No, just
Put it on my phone.
You should never push that.
Rude. Siamo guys. Indoors, you can ask me. These kids fighting over here. You mean doo-doo? Go tell daddy. Go mama. Tell mama. She made doo-doo in the car. I was going for Patriot bandwagon with the winners. Chad owes me a car wash.
What it is?
I told you, I knew it.
Today, physical
I knew
game.
it. Karate chop.
Two physical teams. What do you like for MVP?
So that was a boring Super Bowl. It is now 9:32 and we're gonna go to bed. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. And I'm pretty sure that I updated all throughout the day. I don't know if I said that. We went to Leaky's uncle's house for Super Bowl. I don't know if I said that or not, but yeah, we just got home. But I'm gonna call it a night because Eric has to go tomorrow. So maybe I'll vlog tomorrow. I don't know. Bye.